Hello, on this video I'm going to show about the live share functionality that you can find on Visual Studio Code. This functionality is also available on Visual Studio, but in any case I think it's quite interesting for you to test it out. Okay, I have here, this is like the host, this is macOS Visual Studio Code, and here I have a virtual machine with another instance of Visual Studio Code on Windows. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to start a live share session by clicking here. Okay, this is starting. I have already set up everything by all the logins and so on. So this video is just to show the information. As you can see, the invitation link has been copied to the clipboard. Okay, so now I'm just sharing my session with anyone that has that link. So here on the other machine, what I'm going to do is to join a collaboration session. Okay, and as you can see, the link has been pasted automatically. So I'm going to just press enter. Okay, and this is now entering the live share session with this other machine. It's joining. Okay. And as you can see right now, I have all the files here. I can browse them, and I have here the source code that it was open. As you can see on the left, you can see this is the username that I'm using. Okay, so the other user can see at any time where the cursor is located, and I can type here this is a test or whatever. Okay, I'm just actually modifying the original files, and I can see where the cursor is. And on the other side, if I do the same on this side, you can see where the other user is modifying the code. This is a test. Okay, so I mean, this is the core of the functionality, but there are other things like I have here like a chat. Okay, this is the contacts and session details, share servers, and the chat channels. Okay, and have here a chat. Hey. Okay, so here on the chat channels, okay, I see here the chat, and we can chat about the source code and what's going on and plan ahead. And also there is enable audio call, so there is no need for you to set up like a meeting or any other tool. You just can use the audio call in order to interact with another colleague on the same source code. At this moment, there is no support for the designer. Okay, this is something that we will work on next releases, but this is something that will greatly benefit in order for you to perform like peer programming and things like that. Okay, I hope you like it. Thank you.